ever been walking down the street and you saw someone exercising? Maybe they were walking their dog or they were running, and you looked at them and you said to yourself, I wish I could be as fit as they are. Why can't you be? Or maybe you were watching one of those healthy cooking shows and you saw all the good healthy food that they were cooking, and you thought to yourself, if I could just cook healthy food like that, being healthy wouldn't be so difficult. Well, why can't you? Think about it for just a minute. Did God really mean it when He said that He desires for us to prosper and be in good health, even as our soul prospers? And did God really mean it when He said that we can do all things through Christ, which strengthens us, even live a healthy lifestyle? And did He really mean it when He said that all things are possible with God? I believe He did. You know, there are people that come in and out of your life so quickly, but they have a profound impact that lasts for a very long time. And Sam was one of those guys. He was very passionate about life. You know how people are. They can be very passionate. I'm sure you've met them. And Sam was one of those people that would draw you in by his passion. And then he would try to convince you about those things that he was passionate about. And before you know it, you are just as passionate about the things that he was passionate about also. And he was passionate about his health. And Sam changed my life forever when it came to my health. I didn't know what it meant to live a healthy lifestyle really until I met Sam. Then there was Andy. Andy was a personal trainer, and I thought that I was physically fit and healthy until I met him. And then I realized I didn't know as much about being physically fit as I thought I did. And I realized that there was a lot more to learn. But God desires for all of us to be fit and healthy, to live the most abundant life that we can. And that's exactly what He promises to us. I mean, think about it for just a moment. We are responsible with the life that God gives to us, with our bodies, with our health. And what we do with our lives is very important to us. Important to us, to our families, and even to the world around us. I think of myself and of the baby that my wife and I are about to have. We're so anxiously looking forward to it. And we want to live the best lifestyle that we can so that we can pass it on to our daughter and she can live a healthy lifestyle also. You know, we should ask ourselves some questions. And one of those questions is, when people look at us, by our lives, do they see a good example of what it means to live a healthy lifestyle? When they look at us, do they look at us and say, I want what they have? Is our life, or are our lives, appealing to other people? You know, God promises us that if we live according to His principles of life, that we can have a healthy life, and that people will see those lives and they'll be drawn to us and they'll say, I want what they have. And that's what Jesus promises. He promises that abundant life. You may be thinking, what can I do to implement this change now? Well, don't wait till New Year's. Resolve with yourself and with God to make a change for the better in your lifestyle today. And I know what you may be thinking. You may be thinking, Justin, I want that lifestyle change. I want to live better. I want to be healthier. Well, you don't have to wait. Why not start now? Why don't you go ask your pastor or call your conference and ask what kind of programs they have for you that you can implement that type of change in your life and begin to live that abundant life today and to share that abundant life with others.